So friends, if you are using B.O.B World application of Bank of Baroda and if you don't remember your login pin or MPIN and you have not enabled the Face ID or fingerprint option, then how can you reset your login pin or how can you change it? I'm going to explain each and everything in this particular video. So before getting started, if you are new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Let's start. So in order to reset your login pin or MPIN, you don't have to go anywhere. Just open B.O.B World application in your mobile phone, and it doesn't matter if you're using an iPhone or an Android phone, the process is going to be same. Now you can see I have Face ID option over here. If you're using an Android phone, you might have Face ID as well as fingerprint option over there. So you can use that option to complete the login process. But as I told you earlier, if you have not enabled that option, the simple way to complete the login process is just reset the login pin. So if you don't remember, you have forgot login pin option over here. So simply select that option. On the next page, you have to enter your registered mobile number. Once you enter the registered mobile number, next is you have to enter your transaction pin. Now without transaction pin, you cannot change or reset your login pin. Now if you don't remember your transaction pin, you can just simply tap on forgot transaction pin option over here, and there are three ways by which you can simply reset your transaction pin as well. First is you can use internet banking details to reset your transaction pin. You don't have that option, no worries. Second option is you can use ATM, and the third option is you can simply visit your branch, and from there you can change all the details or basically the pin. So yeah, you can follow these steps if you don't remember your transaction pin as well. But in my case, I remember my transaction pin. So just enter the mobile number, transaction pin, and then select submit option. Now I have entered all the details. Let's select submit option. Now once you go to the next page, you directly get an option to enter new 4-digit login pin or MPIN, you can say it. So you just have to re-enter the new pin and select submit option, and make sure this time you don't forget it. So I have entered new login pin over here. Let's select submit option, and now you can see we have successfully created new login pin. So you can tap on proceed to login, tap over here and enter your new pin. And now you can see we have successfully logged into our account. So yeah, these are the simple steps by which you can simply reset or change your login pin or MPIN in B.O.B World application. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.